Hi everyone, it's Tulsie Narine, Senior Solution Engineer here at ScalePad. And today we are going to take a quick look at Cognition360. Cognition360 is a powerful data warehouse and business analytics platform built with the goal of transforming efficiency and profitability of MSP businesses. It is the only data warehouse specifically optimized for ConnectWise. Cognition360 works by taking data from ConnectWise Manage, Automate, and other applications and transforms it into a data warehouse star schema, allowing for sophisticated reporting and analytics that are critical to managing an MSP's KPI. Some of the reports you'll find in Cognition360 are agreements, benchmarks, understanding time entry and quality, customer, where you'll find metrics fill report for your next QBR, finance, understanding agreement, labor and profitability, service delivery, and more. Let's take a look at the report provided in a service delivery workplace. They are reports to help understand team utilization, technician efficiency, ticket lifecycle, and more. If you want to understand how and where your team's time are spent, team utilization showcases that. As MSPs, we want to look at how times are going in and how much of an employee time is actually going in. Think of any time on a timesheet: internal time, charge code time, client time, and is that close to equal to 100% as possible on your billable resources. This report not only gets into the total available time, but also realize availability by pulling out internal time and any of those non-charge, non-billable entries. That was a quick look at one out of about 130 different reports provided in Cognition360. There's a vast amount of useful and practical reports to get down to the specifics on where the issues might be, not just currently, but what has happened 2 or 3 years ago. It's about insights that leads to better and smarter decision making for your MSP.